Omo person mu se konfo anochi. Wo fira ukugwa anase wo firi aguna. Konfo anochi ofiri asante aguna. Ofiri asante aguna.
You order for asem we edrum na wasa yeka na ye end this situation because I'm say akwakoye debate a ekọ so ase wo fa ba bi obi e kan de bas wo nhyɛ dem ba bi corporate ya free kwa konfo anochi o konfo anochi ankasa ofiri fa aye debate a obi e ka bi o kyena beti ye se ofiri ofiri ukugwa o kyena beti ye se ofiri ebi kwase oye awoni bi so entafo ebi so say konfo anochi efiri asante agona konfo anochi ankasa debate no ofiri ankasa because aye nsem bebre amafo be twe ne sere ne abasa o twene ho a wonti ase na wontina ase abe twene say konfo anochi free before that no ye hwɛ de akuapem for kan ye hwɛ no ba
asante hina otisui nana ode no ho ose tutu no ni din ne nan abode ni ade nyina no fi akuapem a okonfa noche eno man tumi okonfa noche no boy na okonfa noche no wo wo akuapem awukugwa
okirikwenko akuapem kitikitikren de shekronkron aye nana noche ne ho asem na mprempre american obiri pantampram aye de ne sade ne yanwene nam kwame atuapem oda mansan kom akuapem okire nyina mezaya owanwani aye wo no awukugwa okuapemamu oba ne dim nanso ne de anje no fi se krodos ya yentra fa ko nje nim guasinti ofiri ne mam kwa santimam ji asantimansi wo awukugwa de se kronkron mekire anoche konfo
na ne mebo mnane anoche konfo mebo mnane na me fra no chi ananya anoche hunu bia se eja no ne ba anoche na me fra no mami ku beba anoche konfo na me fra no akwa keto de kente kwasio no di kosia bokesire obini ni dentem da sebere waso wi ahwe na na ma ne nsaso wi ma no chiri sikejo kofide ma aye wadu adua wa santimem aje asantima yesiwo aye na mebo mrane aye na ne obini konfa no chinwanwani onati homa so wasre mebo mrane o Confonoche, Braka set down head way, of the Ticotia no one for a few more, venture.
the akuapem for a kind you say confonochi if you cook on okwana e boama asante be asante a ne yi hu my hwebi confonochi ofeu ku a okwa okugwa sese ya metimi am evidence e chese confonochi free okugwa sese ya iso e say awuna force confonochi free awuna oye ntafo mpu supposedly nti o de yentie se de awuna force na iti o story no so chese evidence wo hono ma chese echechi ni dini mane sound pepekra ye hwe o de ye hwe o mo so de ne hwe
Togbe, Sali, and Salah were the sons of Aklomada. Their father was called Aklomada. And the brother of Togbe Sali is Dodala. In Anglo, if you have a twin and they have the next to be a boy or a son, it's called Do.
Do, yeah.
So if you go to Chama today, there is Dalanini, though Dalanini is 2 in Chama.
Okay.
That proved that there was a man called Sali. Their father was Aklomada.
Okay.
And Aklomada's father was Gamadra. And Gamadra was Kuboka. So Kuboka gave birth to Gamadra. And Gamadra gave birth to Aklomada. And Aklomada gave birth to Sali and Salah. And their brother Do. So Salah, as a twin brother, he was also a mystic and a herbalist. He didn't follow the migrating group to Anglo, but he left the Dogbo in Noche and went to Awukugwa in Aquapim area.
What?
His name was now changed Okonfo from Nochi.
Okonfo from Nochi, as in a priest from Nochi.
Okonfo from Nochi became Okonfo and Nochi.
So, from what you're saying, Okonfo and Nochi that we know from the Asante story,
yes,
is an Ewe.
it's an Ewe.
Originally.
Yes, even below that, the way he dressed, he had this raffia on his knees, and he was in a short skirt.
Skirt like.
Yeah, and then he has also a band across his body. The Akans don't dress like that. The raffia is a symbol of one of the deities in our area here.
Sure, see, conform to Biase, Ufria, one cassa so sharp conform to free. Conform to Yankasa, wow, shall free. A miss free, a Ukuga and Kayura, a cocoa day. But Tiamusia, I say, Ufra Santiago, and yet no Kuga Cotetin, a Kumu, in Tiabasano, and my Yura, as way a yen and Wawasino. The honey got to say confirmation command be a great person. So if that's the case, any sadia uncle show when you man uncle domasi. Also, you know, say, and no son codano. A year as until a consude, need the upper say, confirmation if you are gonna. I'll gonna say a whole lot of evidence that chess confirmation so if you are gonna in Tiva.
Almost pursue Musa confirmation. Wofre Ukugwa, and Nasa Wofri Aguna. Konfuanochi ofri Asante Aguna. Ofri Asante Aguna. Konfuanochi enipa odidi tu kwan ekwa Ukugwa. Ye friend opon panyini eye konfuanochi wofa. Ono na akom ni si konfuanochi so no ohu so konfuanochi eye before satam kra no mabuchia no na ye krawi abuchia. Nanya asene abusua akire no pompanyini ade omko wura asene abusuam ene ofra konwa na tie conformity mi sisu kan atro talent the whole Ghana se conformity ofri agona conformity omami din ade awura kwa opapa ubetimi afre no chei bidie ana o chei patuo na tie conformity ye didn't call Ukuga on the Satam, no one near Titia compa, no munima com. Said any of them said, then say Nima Hiniano. San and now Ukuga was one yet Titia community. Conformity, I didn't call show penny be a friend, and no. Now I don't know what you're being for, and to a noon day, you had a flare conformity, the dear, the one no. You found a Kwame from Pound. Kwame from Pound. Ani afreno o ya sene abusuani edi so hwe okoto papa no konformache busuma nyamede maanu no edi ya fra busum ne chechire me konformache ne busum da bia me kase ya fra ne chechire me eye podua ya wonu na chechire ne nsa edi papa ne di ano ne maanu no ana odi podua ne di ni ere eka ho ene ya fra ne konformache on fra Ukugwa na die dia ama o se tutu nyam kesi mi wura mi bomu dia na musa yenso na mi hudia mi nya obi so mi ba udia fi so na santima ya udia ye chichira udia mi ba unyame na ye usa enye nipa na tie kwamfo no ti ba ya bemfo se de papa ne tete no na Ukukwafo pese wo ye tuaduro ade ma wo mutie history ni etu adura o ye de ama wo mu no o sha adura no odi dwale nipa no otutu ni kum nipa no that's o bin for ye adura na anye the second one was sha adu fufuro wo 2 years kum nipa no enti ma Ukukwafo ye o madwene se conformity the tro ani azan enti sadia o mbeti na to afiase saata na nya afiase be kase yabo na pam ana se yabo ni dade brem boduem enti nsu ota odam obekọ toilet hwa na obekọ no na yewura soso me fa ne se ke beka so etuoledians ana se ohwehwem kuro so owo na adwuma mu na okopie Kwame Frimpong a ye fe no konfo no chi so no de na asem na atu o se tutu nyam kase anim And you were cast and cry, so I casadia. And nam says something in the Yansania, Duma, Raditia, may no be shy as well. What Tontino, you were finance sending him diesel, not the J. Kwame from Pong. Now, buy an order, Quatra Sante. I grow your baby, a pencil. What would he card in the battery? It is so hima. Conform not to Odria. Ah, Naji a two abuba. Utu a Diani Biani Musay. Naji Abubanina. Odria said Diano. 1690. And Odria said Diano. And I conform not to so I know of ano. Sao Popeni no di card in the Qua Ukugano. Or the Abusiani Flicker Riba as any Abusiam. Of a Fraconano. Onu free one, but dear Kuntim. Aya conform not to offer so by. Ono to be flu sa konya no ono to koi konfo ya moa aso be flu akonya no enu achi ana konfo no chi aso flu konfo no chi amoampo ani yewura obrempon klare ne brare ngoma o se tutu nyame kese odi kai aso flu asante akonya no etimi ma awukugwa fo atiase se me ma regions awodo atiase se me ma history ya tron wo book ma aya breaking for abrofo na be se sasa history no konfo no ti o mfia ukugwa konfo no ti ade oye na ukugwa no wode ne nsa de tutu wale keke wo bo so eno ya ka de konfo no ti wo ji si gaja ko fifiri suro ade ma asante man eno na me bo se tutu nya me kesi dia na pipi ya be yewra ya subu ya utia Pia conformity or agony.
Ubia come you if you want us also conformity with Rifa. Mr. O ID via Mamma comment section one na in then seven na into us me to us you are copying UK didn't do money at the end be a Ghana next day. When say you are so your you can more opportunities no deba or any chair. If you any papa if you are also with me. And then they can a message. You are subscriber to next year, no be. But that's it. Wash my crowd.